just got in a Rare Beauty PR package. I have been tagging them and loving on them since they launched, and I didn't think they knew who I was. This is crazy. I don't know if this means like I'm officially on the list. Let's see what's inside. Liquid highlighter in shade Mesmerize. Their brow gel, I've actually really wanted to try this. This is one of the few products I haven't tried from them. Let's just go ahead and apply it. We gotta see how well this actually holds. Their liquid blush in shade Happy. My all-time favorite highlighter in shade Exhilarate. This is the one I share all the time. It is blinding, it's so good. Let's apply this together. It is my favorite. Also sent their mascara. This mascara is so good. It's what I have my lashes now. I have the mini one. Super excited to have the full size one. I love it. This is their tinted lip oil in shade Happy. Oh, it's pretty. I love a good lip oil. Got a glossy lip balm, 3 of their eyeshadow sticks. This I actually haven't tried. It's their melting blush. Usually go for their liquid blush and then their new one. I like the packaging. I have not tried out this one. I won't put this on since I have a different shade on, but I will try this on later for you guys. Their Kind Words matte lipstick. Everything Rare Beauty just makes me so happy. Lip crayon to match that lipstick. I'm so happy right now.